welcome, it's Scarlet Pete's Self-Sufficiency. We have run about 3 miles on and off to get to the train station with about 30 seconds to spare. Our cars broke down. I hear the train coming. We have actually made it in time. A bit red in the face. Here comes the train with minutes to spare. Literally a minute, I think that was. Here we go. Gotta lift her up those big steps. Can you manage it? Can I manage it? That's the thing. Here, hold the phone, Lil.
I can manage carrying 22 kilos up a staircase, and you can.
We made it, Bella. Bella's suitably dressed now. We're going to get off the train. A bit more refreshed now. You be a good girl, Bella. Your pack's got wonky. There we go.
Open it when the train's going flat out.
Yeah, it trusts you're not going to open it because you're not stupid. Do not open the door until the train stops. No, we won't do that. Kiskunfelegyhasza. I'm waiting till we stop to open the door or I get into trouble. This is an old-fashioned train. It doesn't have any electronical door opening facilities. Good girl. Right, we've got here. It's cooler, thank goodness. Now let's find a bathroom so we can wash our faces because we literally Bella thinks she's been teleported somewhere. Let's get some cold water for us and the dog after that run. Yeah, well, she is a lady, so she can come with us. Well, what are they going to do with the dog when you...
She is a girl.
Yeah. Well, we made it off the train. The dog's carrying her bag ready to be filled and we're about to go do the shopping. We've got the parts we needed to repair the van. Bella's equipped with help. Well, we've stopped for an ice cream, so Bella's had to have one too.
Oh, not much.
What she had?
Vanilla cookie something.
Oh.
Expensive stuff too.
Mm.
So no nasties in it.
No nasties at all. Come here, darling. Bella. So how did you find your day in town? And what about carrying a bag? She says, I'm not talking to you. My mum's gone over to the dustbin. So we're about to go and find the train now, aren't we, Lum?
Yes. Hello, Bubba.
We've got our shopping in her back and she's got some sweeties in there for the dog. Doggy toys, doggy sweet. Oh, she knows she's got those. She's such a clever girl. Right, let's go get this train. I hope it's going to be easy to get her on board again. Because on the way out, it was easier than the way in, wasn't it? The platform was better in Kiskunfelegyhasza.
Somehow get her legs trapped in that staircase. It goes straight to the floor if you don't get it right.
It's quite funny because we got on the train at the grass area. We got out in the middle of the city. She's never been in the train before. And her face was like time travel. Been teleported somewhere different, she said. I'm in the city. So that was her first train journey and she did really well. Right, let's get off to this next part of the journey. Bella, you ready? Find the train. We're here at the station, so we're off to get some tickets next. Okay, Lil? Oh, I wonder if we can sit at the back. We sit here. What do you think, Bella?
Yeah? You sure on the right train?
Yep, this is the dinosaur that takes us back to the field. So that's just cost for the two of us and the dog about £2.50. Not bad. To go quite a long way, isn't it, really? 15-minute drive in a car. See you later. This happens to be the worst train journey ever. Even the dog's having to have tidbits to tell her it's okay. It's bumpy and wobbly and horrible. Isn't it, Bella? What's happening? She's not happy about it. And honestly, I'm not. It's not very nice at all. It's the back end. And it's really wobbly and wiggly and banging. As you can see, moving around a lot. What do you think, Lil? Is it horrible?
It's alright.
See you in a minute, the other side. Ooh. Bella, it's alright. We stopped for a bit. In the middle of nowhere, and our farm is just about over there. So that's now where we have to walk all the way home. So we've got to walk down. Yeah, we could ride a Great Dane home. And now it's going to rain on us. You seen the colour of the skies? It smells like home because we're next to the cow place. We're home, Bella. Lily, have you seen what we're walking through?
Yes, I have grown up in these parts. I do know what hemp looks like in there.
Bit of hemp, and there's a bit of the other stuff. That one's a bit different. This is the other one.
One, exactly.
Well, this one's more...
Devil's lettuce.
It is devil's lettuce. This
it?
one's closer together, look. Not that we would use it anyhow, because we're not into that sort of thing. But for interest of the video. It smells very much stronger and it's sticky. This one...
This one smells better, doesn't it?
Actually, this one smells more perfumey and nice. This one's definitely devil's lettuce, isn't it? Look at that. See, it's closer together.
It's got some good buds on it.
Good buds. You sound like a druggie. Please note, she has never done such a thing.
No.
And we don't want to do such things, but it's just interesting. There's another one. So there you are, gang. You know, this is just by the side of the railway. Our horse loves eating this stuff when she's pregnant. Makes her feel all better.
I think you'll find it makes her feel all chilled out.
All chilled out, yeah, and ready to give birth. I wonder if it does that to animals. So we're... Oh, there's a big one. There we go, look. That one's like 6 foot tall. So now we've got a bit of a ride, no, a little bit of a walk up to the dirt track over there and then back home. 2 miles this way, 4.5 miles the other way. So I think we'll be using this station a lot more. Right, we're down onto the dirt road now, and the farm is right at the end of this road. So we've just got to keep walking and walking for about 1.5 miles. It's a really nice, cool, beautiful evening to walk home. Well, we've made it home. Our field and farm is just there. The light's starting to fade. Our feet have a few blisters, but we've had a really good day out on the train. So I hope you've enjoyed coming along on our adventure with us, and hope to see you again soon. How do you feel, Lil?
Good.
Yeah, it's been really nice. I'm quite pleased with myself at 50 years old, being able to have an adventure like this. Run the first 3 miles in the morning, and then leisurely walk back a couple of miles in the evening. Yes, we went a different way home, and it's better this way. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Give us a comment so we know you're there, and share us around a bit, because we really need to grow our channel, and every time you click a link and share it, or a like and a comment, it helps us a lot. So see you soon, everybody. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bunny! Come on, let's go to bed.